In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of migrating Office 365 mailbox data to a Gmail account using the BitRecover Office 365 backup software. To install the BitRecover Office 365 backup software, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. If you have an Office 365 admin account, you can click on the I am admin option and batch backup mailboxes. To begin, enter your Office 365 email address. Click the Login button to proceed. And new window will open on screen to log in your Microsoft Office 365 account. The scanning process will start and load the folders. Select or deselect folder for backup using the checkbox in the panel on the left. Select Saving option allows the user to choose a saving method. They can choose from a variety of saving choices. Let's select Gmail option for this tutorial. Enter your Gmail email address. Uncheck the Using Google OAuth authentication option to sign in with a Gmail app password. Again, select Using Google OAuth authentication option to begin the backup process. Our tool provides users with filter options for selective export. Select Use Advanced Settings for selective backup option to use filters such as Date Range, By Sender, Subject, Exclude Folders, Match Exact Words, and Exclude Attachments. Our tool also supports incremental backup options so that user can backup data that has been modified or created since the previous backup was conducted. User can also use selective export settings for email folder option. Go back to backup option. After configuring all the settings, it's time for the migration process. Simply click the backup button, and the migration process will begin. Once the migration is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the migration was successful. Click OK. And open the Gmail mailbox and access the newly migrated Office 365 mails. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.